And guys, just a simple reminder, on natin niya, i-auto natin. Tapos ito, wag kayo mag-i-start ng wag kayo mag-i-start ng ano ba to, yung teka lang, lalagay kayo din. Yun, nandirito kayo. Yan. Nandirito kayo nakatayo kasi, di ba, syempre, yan, katulad yan. 3 kasi abot ko yung susian, ayan, oh. So, nandirito lang ako. That's not good. It's not safe, guys. Kailangan, before you start your truck, kahit alam mo naka-brake yan, lagay mo lang yung gloves mo dito. Yan. Buka. Always put pa rin yung yung brake pedal. Tapos turn your key. Yung pa ako nandoon, nakita nyo, naka-brake pa rin. Yan. Hintayin mo siya mag-rotate. Pag narinig mo yung tsk. Yun na, good morning guys. Welcome to another episode of our vlog. Syempre, dito na naman tayo sa ating, sa ating buhay trucker. So, ayun, dito ulit tayo sa warehouse na kinuha na natin last time. Pero, iba yung delivery neto. It's going to be delivered to Pennsylvania, Philadelphia, PA. Philadelphia, PA, yeah. So sa Philly, lugar ng idol natin yan, syempre, ni Kobe. Kansyan siya na-discover. So, ayun. Ngayon, gagawin natin is 11 o'clock ang appointment ko. So, ayun, 10:40 ngayon. And, let's go, samahan nyo. So, adjust natin yung tandem, guys. Dahil nakapunta na tayo dito, alam na natin gagawin. Yan. Lagi dapat malinis yung trailer natin, syempre. Nga pala, i-retort natin to, guys. Kasi bagong install yung gulong. I-retort natin mamaya bago tayo tumawid. So, yun, na-adjust na natin tandem. Yun, na-adjust na natin tandem, diba? Pero, nakita nyo naman ang ganda ng sombrero natin. MRG. Yes, sir.
Guys, yung nakikita nyo dito, ilang beses ako mag-a-adjust ng trailer kasi parang tatama yung pintuan natin. Yung ginawa ko dyan, adjust till I get my sweet spot. So Basically, pag mas malapit ka dito sa side mo, mas marami ka pang space dun sa kaliwa kahit hindi mo nakikita yan. I mean, sa kanan. So ayan. Nakakuha ko na, naipasok ko na yung dalawang gulong. It means wala nang tatamaan yan. All I need to do is just straighten up the trailer. And ayan na nga, ini-straight ko na ako, nakikita niya. Daan-daan lang yan guys. Hindi yung pag-atras ng trailer or tractor trailer, it's not, you know, rushing. You cannot rush this because the time you rush this kind of things, that's the time you're gonna have a mistake. Tapos mag-oversteer ka na naman. Nakakapagod mag-adjust ng mag-adjust. So slowly lang, hintayin mo lang mag-react yung trailer. So ayan, kung nakikita nyo, malapit na yun, may straight na konti na lang. Ayan, straight na yan. Pero kung sa side mirror kayo ngayon nakatingin yan is ano na to, medyo malilito kayo kasi I don't know, minsan ako nalilito pa rin ako eh. Yan, so diretso na yan and that's it, plakak. And magche-check na tayo ng tandem natin or kung naka-straight na tayo sa duct, sa door duct. Let's go!
Pero check muna natin bago tayo pumasok guys. Double check just to make sure, di ba? Lagi, always double check. There's nothing wrong with it. Yeah, we good. So yun guys, mabilis tayong naloadan dahil this is the second time around. Kagaya nga nung sinabi ko nung previous vlog ko. Ano yun, hindi natin alam kasi, di ba, the first time pa lang natin nung last time, and diba mo ngayon, it's really smooth. And it take me a normal time to being loaded like an hour and a half, so that's good. So yun, pumunta tayo ngayon sa pagtutorkan nung trailer wheel. Samahan nyo ako, tara. Guys, dito na tayo sa dito tayo magpapatork sa ESO. Dito daw kasi yung yung sabi nung trainer ko dati, dito daw yung papatork. So ayun. Tapos mamaya tatawagan natin yung fleet support just to confirm, and ipapaklear natin yung nasa laptop na nasa tab natin mamaya. Papakita ko rin sa inyo yun mamaya. So yun, exit 611. First time to guys, first time gonna happen. Yung trailer lang yung i-adjust natin, retorque natin. Hindi tayo pwedeng lumagpas ng 100 eh. Kasi may safety bonus kami. So mga 101, 102 pwede, pero not all the time, right? Pag nasa Canada lang. Pero pag sa US kasi ano eh, mas mabilis sila dun eh. So 70 miles per hour lagi normal na ano nila dun, na mga highway and freeway. So exit 611. Babasahin natin yung ESO. Saan ba ESO dyan? Right. Sa right daw, sa right guys. Sa right. Right turn tayo, right turn.
Take the ramp ahead, then take the ramp ahead.
Ko alam kung nakasan yung ESO eh, pero dinanalan natin Petro, siguro dito lang eh. Ayun, nandito ESO. Nandito ang ESO.
Right to England Avenue, then take the first left.
Abot kaya tayo sa green light. Hindi ah. Abot. Daan-daan lang tayo guys kasi mabigat yung ano natin. Tire shop. Saan kaya yun? Saan ang tire shop ng ESO?
Turn left.
Mukhang nandoon ah. What's the name of the shop? Shop entrance. Oh, baka ito kan.
Turn left on Robinson Court.
Hindi ko alam saan exactly. Ito siguro truck record. Kaya ito siguro guys. Tingnan natin kung anong siguro. Truck repair dito. Yan, parada natin dito sa gitna.
Turn right on Gardeners Road, then keep right.
Pa-retort tayo, retort. Retort! Natin. Tara, samahan nyo guys para malupit. So, papakita ko muna sa inyo yung ano. Yan, mag-on duty lang tayo. On duty, lagay natin is retort. Save. Yes. And tara. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo guys, oh. Ayan, may warning siya sa pero papa-clear out natin yan sa fleet support natin. Sinabi naman na na tutulungan tayo dito, so yun. Tara, samahan niyo ako. I don't know how this one works, but it's the first time na magpapaayos tayo guys. First time. First time natin magpapaayos guys. Hello. How are you? Yeah, I'm here for retorque.
Alright. Do you have your ownership? Is it for the truck or trailer?
Trailer.
Who are you with?
Crisco.
And you said it's for the trailer?
Yes, ma'am.
What's the trailer number?
It's L504. Am I right? Yeah. Yeah, L504. So I did call my fleet support and then said I'm good to go.
L504?
L504, yes.
Yeah, I don't have you in the system, so I'll need your ownership for the trailer. So I can put you in my system.
Alright, I'll be right back. Open your shit. Ownership. Hindi ko alam guys. Ownership. Kailangan. Need the ownership. I don't know what's the ownership. Ownership. It's probably this. So guys, ito yung ownership ng ng trailer. Yan. Lagi ang kasama ng trailer, hindi yan mawawala ang documents na yan. Kasi pag wala ito pag na pull over ka, wala. Tapos ang boxing. Ganun. Thanks, sir.
Go. And
Thank you.
send somebody out. Where are you?
That's right there.
Okay, perfect. I'll send someone out for you. Just come out this way. Hayden? Just come out this way. He's on this side.
So after this, madam, Krishka will deal with you, yeah?
Sorry?
After like retorquing, Krishka will call you or...
Oh yeah, I send them their invoice and then they just pay that way. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
And he'll sign that for you out there if you need him to.
Okay, gotcha.
Okay?
Yep. Have a good day, madam.
You too. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Question?
So ayun, ganun lang pala guys. Wala tayong masyadong iintindihin. How are you, man?
Not bad. You?
Good.
These ones, I assume?
Yep. 4 tires.
Let's get a tool to pop all those off.
Gotcha. So, yun guys, tawagan natin ngayon yung ano, yung fleet support namin.
For calling Krishka. If you know your party's extension, please dial it at any time during this message. To access your company directory, press the star key. Please listen carefully to the following options as our menu choices have changed. For sales, rates, or logistics, press 1. For customer service, press 2. For fleet support, press 1. For safety, press 2.
Tawagan natin fleet support guys. Hello, yeah, I just finished retorquing my wheel here, trailer wheels.
Okay. What's area you at? Oh, you're in Kingston, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on 1 second here, and I'll get that cleared out for you. What, just let me get that brought up here. Now I can... That was on what trailer was that again?
It's L504.
L504, okay. Wrong page here. Okay, I'll clear that out for you, no problem.
I got a question. So this KTG warning what you call this? The card, the orange card. I'll bring it back to the mechanic, right?
Oh, you don't need it. No, that's okay. As long as you get it done, that's just an indication for you to know what needs to be done and which ones need to be done. You can just put it in with your paperwork. You should be good. No problem.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.
Yes, sir. You do. Thanks. Bye.
Yun guys, natapos tayo. Kaya alam niyo naman na ayan, it is what it is. And hammer tayo ngayon papuntang Philly. Kaya natin tumakbo ng malupit. Kaya yun. Okay na rin tayo, tatawid na rin tayo sa border, naka-receive na tayo ng ng entry number. Anyways, tara, samahan nyo ako. Tawid tayong border.
Keep right Hickory Run Service Plaza. Meters ahead, turn left.
Dito tayo magpapalipas ng gabi, guys. siya tayo dito. Maluwag guys, maluwag. Maluwag dito. Tatamaan. Ito guys, strictly for ano lang to, trucks. Itong ano na to. Itong lugar na to. Okay, strictly for trucks lang yan. Okay. That's it. Post trip. Ayun. Good morning guys! Good morning! Good morning! Woo! You know. Good morning guys. Ayun, kagigising lang natin. Sarap ng ganito trabaho. May sarili kang schedule. 11 o'clock pa yung appointment time natin. It's only 9 o'clock, so got 2 more hours. Ngayon, magre-ready tayo. Ready tayo ng ating damit at malamig, guys. And ayun, syempre medyas. Ganito lang, ano ba to? Putek. Basta yun, prepare. Nakapag-init na ako ng tubig ko kanina. May hot chocolate tayo. Syempre, umaga hot chocolate yan. Di kasi tayo guys nagkakape. Yung kape para lang sa kabado yan. So yun, ayun na naman, ang ganda talaga ng cup na to. Shoutout talaga dito. MRG Basketball League. Lalagay natin yung niyan, yung page nila para mga malulupit na tropa yan. So yun, mag-hot chocolate muna ako, and samahan nyo ako na pre-trip. Pero sa susunod na vlog ko is tuturuan ko kayo paano yung pre-trip talaga, pure pre-trip lang ng truck every starting of your shift. Alright? Let's go. So yung guys, nakikita nyo, pre-trip tayo. Ayan, naka ano na siya, naka DVIR. So tara. Pre-trip tayo sa labas, tara. Siyempre, ito lalagyan natin sa lamp check. Importanteng bagay, gloves at hammer. Guys, yun, nakikita nyo ba yung ano na yan, yung windshield washer ito, windshield washer guys. May re-refill natin yung re-refill. Refill tayo ng windshield washer. Yan. Tapos yung coolant din natin medyo ano, pero okay pa, may extra pa naman tayo. Ito lang windshield washer kasi winter ngayon, kailangan nating punuin yan. Kasi yung sa asin, parang sasakyan mo na rin to guys, bahay at sasakyan. So ayan yan, di man puno pero pero okay na yun. So kailangan natin kumuha ng lock na ito. So yung pre-trip tayo, tire pressure is good, kung ano-ano dyan. Our pressure is good. So, importante to guys, yung oil. Pero ito kasi bagong model, so most probably hindi pa siya nagbo-burn ng oil. Pero double check lang natin kung nakikita nyo yan. Nasa ano pa siya, normal range ng ng operating ng truck. Yung level niya, normal level. Ito pwede natin i-drain yan, pero okay lang yan. Mga ilaw, battery, yan. Fuel cap, ilaw, glad hands guys, glad hands, mga wires mo. Tapos sisilip ka dito lagi kung may dyan, kung may gap, kung may gap kung may gap yan, yung fifth wheel. Pasok ka dito. Ewan kung nakikita nyo yung jojo nung truck. Yan. Wala, malinis lahat. Yung sagging nung cross members. Yan. Ito, walang damage. Ilaw. Yung tire pressure natin, good. Guys, technique, pag gusto mong maano yung tire pressure mo, pag pinalo mo to, kahit mild lang, bumabalik yung martilyo. Means tire pressure is good yan. Mud flap, ABS sensors. Ito sa gabi, sa umaga, kailangan Kaya yan, yung mga seal, kailangan yan. Kasi pagkagising mo sa umaga, kailangan secure yan. Secure and tight. So yung mga ilaw-ilaw, signal light. Ayan, ayan, may ilaw na nakikita nyo. Sana nakikita nyo. Na flap, tap pressure. It's good, you see. Kahit ganunin ko lang, okay na yan. Yan. Ito yung ginagawa ko sa umaga. Every beginning of your shift. Katulad yan, signal light, gumagana. Tapos yung mga damage. Ito tire pressure ng tractor, mud flaps. And mga ilaw guys, hindi nyo makikita eh. Maliwanag kasi pero kita ako dito. So yun, tapos na tayo mag pre-trip. Ngayon, check natin kung may mga leak. Kung may mga leak, so sisindihan natin yan. And guys, just a simple reminder, no, on natin yan, i-auto natin. Kasi ito, wag kayo mag-i-start ng ano, wag na wag kayo mag-i-start ng ano ba to, yung teka lang, lalagay kayo din. Yun, nandirito kayo. Yan. Nandirito kayo nakatayo kasi, di ba, syempre, yan, katulad yan, 3 point, 3, ano, kasi abot ko yung susian, ayan, yung susian, ayan, oh. So, nandirito lang ako. That's not good. It's not safe, guys. Kailangan, before you start your truck, kahit alam mo naka-brake yan, lagay mo lang yung gloves mo dito, yan. Buka. Always put pa rin yung ano, yung brake pedal. Tapos turn your key. Yung pako nandoon, nakita nyo, naka-brake pa rin. Yan. Hintayin mo siya mag-rotate. Pag narinig mo yung tsk. Yan. Okay na yan. Yun guys. Just be safe lang all the time. 3-point contact, lagi yan. Laging 3-point contact tayo guys. Ayan, o, nakahawak ako dito, nakahawak ako dyan. 3-point contact, yung dalawang pa ako nandiyan dyan. 3-point contact, ayan guys. So ngayon, i-check natin yung ano, kung may leaks. So alam ko maingay, pero walang electrical problem. So sasarado na natin. Wala siyang oil leak sa ilalim. So laging mong isi-secure to, secure inside. Double check. This one is kind of complicated because sometimes kailangan mo lakasan yung tulak para mag-lock and then double check. Pero lalayo ka ng konti kasi pag ito pumalo, pabalik sa'yo, masakit. Ito yung lugar ni Kobe guys. Lupit. Lupitan natin. Morning, man. Morning. I'm here for 11:15 appointment. Yeah.
That's 5745.
Yep.
Yes, your appointment is for 11:30.
11:30. So what's gonna happen though? Just wait.
Yes, you can wait in your truck and then we're gonna give you a call and let you know what door you can put around.
Alright, cool. Thank you. So, damn. Nilagay nila 11:30 guys, 11:15 sa profile ko. 11:15, 11:30 pala tayo. Pero anyways, yun, narating na tayo dito. Maya. Tapos andito na tayo. And ayun lang sasabihin ko guys, maraming salamat sa suporta palagi. Sa mga nag-subscribe, grabe kayo man. Grabe yung ginawa nyo. Grabe yung subscribe na ginawa nyo. Nabigla ako sa channel ko. So from siguro in a day, for what you did guys, I really appreciate you sa support and love na binibigay nyo sa akin. Hopefully pag nag-grow yung channel natin, I can, I can return it back to you guys. Can put back and I can give back to the community sa channel natin. One day guys, makakabawi ako sa inyo. And ayun, dito ko natatapusin tong vlog and sana nag-enjoy kayo. Maraming salamat again. Shoutout nga pala, alam nyo na, sa MRG Basketball and kay Kuya Miggy, Kuya Miguel, and kay Kuya Matthew na anak ng ng kaibigan ko, dati kong supervisor na si Junior. So yun, maraming salamat again guys. Mike Ontario out.